Sometimes I get asked, as a certified fitness trainer, why do you prefer to teach yoga over other fitness classes? One thing that separates yoga from other fitness classes is the focus on the mind-body connection. Yoga is the practice of moving meditation, which is why I always invite students to set clear, specific intentions to reflect on throughout every practice. I could run on a treadmill and lift weights for an hour and burn calories and build strength, but that does nothing to enhance my mind if I'm mentally checked out the whole time. On the other hand, I could practice mindful yoga for an hour and burn calories, build strength, mobility, regulate my nervous system, and most importantly, leave practice with a greater sense of mental focus and present moment awareness. Yoga is a practice of training the mind as much as the body. When we approach yoga as conscious movement, yoga becomes as much of an inward exploration as an outward exploration, and we can develop healthier thought patterns, self-acceptance, and ultimately, peace of mind.